Alright, so today we're going to be putting some millings down. 10-foot wide lane here. Just now getting it graded. Gonna get all the loose grass out of it. It's pretty solid base. And then we're gonna lay the millings right over top of this and then spray the oil-based sealer onto them to help harden them up. That's about it. It's gonna be all machine laid today with the paver, so pretty simple job for us. One straight pull. Right now he's putting a grade onto it. Take us about 30 minutes to get this graded, and then we'll be waiting on millings. Pretty simple job today. Alright, and then we're going to be tying in the millings with the existing asphalt up here, with the existing driveway. So I'm going to make a saw cut, that way we have a nice straight line where the millings meet the asphalt. Any of the access stone, the customer is going to just let us lay in a little pad here, kind of get rid of it. Alright, we just got everything graded. 10-foot wide. We're gonna lay 3.5, 4 inches of millings in here and then compact them. And then we'll spray the oil-based sealer on top to help stiffen them up. That's it. There's a solid base here. We got all the loose stone off the top. So now we're just waiting on millings. We'll see you guys then. Alright, we got our line painted here, so that way we stay along it with the paver, so we have a nice straight edge. And millings will be here shortly. Alright, just got the first load out. Everything looks good. We're gonna wait to roll it till we get done with the whole thing. Roll it twice and then we'll spray it. Pretty nice. Just getting laid out. I still got to loop my edge here along the edge, push some of this in, and tamp the edge. Coming out nice. All right, we just got done tamping the sides of it. Now we're gonna go ahead and roll this, get all this rolled in. That'll be done. We got about 3/4 of it done so far. About 25% more to go, and then we'll start spraying it. All right, just got done rolling them in. The first time I vibratoried them all in so they compact a little bit better. And then the second time I roll it, then I don't vibratory it, so that way it'll get any of the lines from it pushing out from rolling it out of the finish. But when we put a sealer onto it, then our hose drags on the millings. So I mean, just the crust of the millings, some of the loose stones will come up to the top, but it'll harden everything up, so that way if anything does penetrate the surface, it'll be a little bit more tougher to get through it, like rain or snow. So it looks good. All right, our third load just got back. Then we'll have to get about 10 more tons.
looks like basically the black top oil.
All right, I just put the first roll on the second half here. Compacted really well. Down here at the apron, we actually had enough to finish. So it took a total of 60 ton to finish everything here. And you can see down on the apron, this is already compacted in, vibratoried, and it's still like 4 inches thick. So in the apron, we had a little extra, so we thickened it up here at the apron, where he turns in and out all the time. So we used it up and looks good. I got to put one more roll onto it, and then we're going to start spraying it. And then next week we're going to be paving from this post the whole way down this lane. I think it's about a half a mile long. We're going to be paving all this and going over top of this old tar and chip. So you guys will be seeing that video soon. And I'm going to roll one more time, though, on to spraying. All right, guys, just got that wrapped up. Turned out nice. When the millings are in a pile, they hold a little bit more moisture. That's why in some areas it looks a little bit blacker, and in some areas it looks a little bit lighter. Just because the lighter areas are starting to dry out just from the sun and the air hitting it. So it'll all be kind of a lighter color, and then now we're gonna be spraying on the oil-based sealer. It's a penetrating sealer, unlike the water-based sealer that we use for asphalt driveways. The water-based sealer is a surface sealer, so it seals asphalt or millings from the surface. It applies a thin layer on top of the millings. We use an oil-based sealer mainly on the millings, just mainly because oil-based is a penetrating sealer, so it kind of gives the millings seeping oil that goes down through it, so it'll kind of hold all the little like asphalt dust and the little asphalt rocks all together, and just keep it pretty much bounded up together. A whole lot better than the surface sealer. I know water-based sealer does work for millings, and a couple things does, like diesel fuel works for millings, even water will help tighten millings up, but we just find that oil-based works best for us. Gives it a nice black color for 2-3 years, and like I said, it just helps, you know, the millings bond together and harden up. So it's a little bit about that. Now we're gonna start spraying it. All right, we just got all wrapped up. Looks really good. Once it cures for a couple days, the sealer will be dry, probably 6 to 8 hours. Once it cures for a couple days, it'll look a whole lot better. It'll have a nice matte black finish to it. When we come back out here to pave the lane, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Today is Thursday, and we're gonna be paving the lane next Wednesday. So pretty much a week it'll have to cure before you guys see it again. So thank you guys for watching the videos. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy them, and we will see you guys in the next one.